This is the weekly weather forecast video for Monday, the 4th of July, 2011. Let's take a look first at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some showers and thunderstorms along a frontal boundary south of the state from the mid-Atlantic through the Ohio Valley and into the southern plains, and also some complex of thunderstorms over Montana into the prairie provinces of Canada. Here's the watch warning map from just before 1 o'clock in the morning. Severe thunderstorm watches over North Dakota into Montana, Arizona into Southern California, some flood issues over Central California. Otherwise, the nation was fairly quiet last night. Here's the severe weather threat. This is for Tuesday and Tuesday night, not today. Tuesday and Tuesday night, a slight risk of severe weather from western and central Iowa westward into Nebraska and into the Black Hills. Here's the probability outlook. The typical 15% with the hatched area in black, where there'll be significant severe weather, larger hail, stronger winds up in Nebraska, Wyoming, Montana, and western South Dakota. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation for the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Precipitation amounts range from about 1/10 of an inch upwards to 3/4 of an inch. It will all depend on where thunderstorms will drop their rain. Somebody could get a lot, somebody could get nothing. Here's the GFS Model Run. This is the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a ridge over the southern and central part of the country with a bit of a trough over the northeast. With that, there'll be precipitation just south of the state, but it looks like Independence Day will be dry across the state, so there should be no issues with fireworks displays tonight. However, on Tuesday, here comes another batch of moisture with some showers and thunderstorms, thus the risk of severe weather in central and western Iowa for tomorrow. These storms will move overnight through the eastern counties. Wednesday, there'll be a chance of some showers and thunderstorms early, especially in the east and south. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny during the day. Thursday, model wants to show some risk of some showers and storms. They'll be very isolated and likely during the overnight hours if they occur at all. This will be one of those nocturnal events. Friday, model still wants to show some moisture in the vicinity. There could be a popcorn storm, but it'll be very isolated, less than 20%. If it happens. Saturday, it looks like chances will increase a little bit. A frontal boundary will be just to the west, so shower chances will be at 20 to maybe 30 or 40% during this coming weekend. And on Sunday, there could be some rain moving in, especially in the northern counties and most likely in Minnesota and Wisconsin, so there could be some active weather next weekend. But a week from today, July 11th, the ridge begins to take hold. A 594 ring over southern Iowa into Illinois and Missouri, and with that, that's going to push moisture north and away, and that could bring some heat and humidity and possibly temperatures back in the 90s early next week if this holds out. We move ahead further into Voodoo. Here's Friday the 15th of July. You can see a bit of a trough out over the west, but the ridge is holding tight over the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, and with that, with us being on the north side, there could be a frontal boundary nearby which could bring some possible showers and thunderstorms. Typical nocturnal type event where during the day it'll be fairly dry. At the end of the forecast period on July the 19th, the 594 ridge is now over about the Four Corners area. We have a slight northwesterly flow aloft, and with that could bring some possible showers and thunderstorms at that time as well. Now it's time for the weekly weather forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weekly weather forecast video. We'll have our regular one tomorrow.